As Quebec pushes to pass major healthcare reforms in a few weeks, a Pointe-Saint-Charles clinic is doing its best to inform the community about what these changes in a new bill will mean. But as Paladin Perez reports, those working in the healthcare system say they're also facing many uncertainties.
Christian Dubé seems eager to pass one of Quebec's biggest pieces of legislation ever. With more than 1,000 articles, Bill 15 promises to completely reform the province's healthcare system. There's several hundred articles left to review, but the health minister just presented a game plan to get through it before the end of the parliamentary session in December. Here in Pointe-Saint-Charles, a community clinic put together an information session to make sure people know what the bill is all about. Carolyn Cutler says she still has a lot to learn about it.
I'm just curious about the new law, and I thought it would be more interesting to hear changes here than go through trying to read and understand the law.
And Cutler isn't the only one with questions. A community organizer at the clinic says she doesn't know about the long-term impacts of the bill on their services. Marco Silvestro says the Pointe-Saint-Charles Community Clinic has a similar mission to CLSC's, and she's worried about similar losses.
All of them have been emptied. So they are only point of services with no doctors, no autonomy. So we are concerned that it's going to happen in a few years.
Most notably, Bill 15 calls for the creation of a crown corporation called Santé Québec. It would oversee all activities related to the public healthcare system and provide services. The Quebec Community Groups Network says that would diminish the quality of care, especially for minority groups.
Who knows better what is needed on the ground than the people on the ground, not some big organization in Quebec City. It will eliminate community roles in the management of health and social services.
Meanwhile, the Pointe-Saint-Charles Clinic says it plans on supporting and informing the community for years to come. Paladin Perez, CBC News, Montreal.
The city of Montreal is unveiling the long